Hello friends. So welcome back to the banking updates this week. The session I'll keep it very small. Only important updates and we'll move fast. The session is for all of you. Means let you be in any sector of the banking. Let you be in retail, corporate, trade finance, okay, treasury, anywhere. These updates are important for you. So let's keep it simple, sweet, okay? And let's move on. Before that, everyone like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. What are the important points? See this. First one, strong credit growth and retail demand. Bank credit has seen a robust 13.7 YOY increase. See 13.7 increase in the credit, reaching 204.3 trillion as of February 15, 2026. Due to sustained high demand in retail, MSME and infra. Basically, you focus only on the important point. The credit growth has grown by 13.7% YOY year on year. So it's a good sign. Mainly these credits are taken by MSMEs. Okay. So MSME growth means the country's growth. There will be more jobs, right? Regulatory support for year-end accounting. RBI has ordered all agency banks to remain open on 31st March 2026, a scheduled holiday. So 31st March, you are all working now. Huh? In fact, it is a basic rule. Every year this thing happens. I have seen this. 31st March or 1st April, right? You have to work. Means 1st April is obviously, and let it be holiday also. We have to come to work. This is the fate of the bankers, right? In any sector you might be of banking. High value liquidity support. RBI announced open market operations to purchase 1 lakh crore in government securities over two tranches in March. See this. OMO means what? Firstly, understand this. OMO means RBI will purchase the bonds, okay, and give you the money. U means banks. So because of this, what happens? 1 lakh crore will be given by RBI to the banks. Given. So that, what will the banks do with 1 lakh crore? They'll give it in loans, right? So they'll give it in loans means what? There is more money for loans. What does it mean? Loans will increase. So economy will increase, right? So this is known as liquidity pumping. Okay. This is a part of the repo operations. Repo means that this only, right? Injecting liquidity into the banking system to manage the tight conditions. Tight means what? Say this tight conditions means due to the war going on right now, the conditions are very tight. There is no money. So RBI is pumping in the money. Enhanced customer protection in digital fraud. RBI introduced a draft regulation that places the burden of proof on the banks to establish the customer liability in fraudulent electronic transactions, offering better security and potential compensation up to rupees 50,000 for victims of small value digital frauds. See, this is very drastic change. You can call it a 180 degrees change because in this, now the onus of proving that the customer has defaulted will lie on the bank. Customer doesn't have to prove this. Very important conclusion. Okay, it's a good sign, but for because amount is less. See, there are many customers in the banking system who are very poor. The balances are idling 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, and what happens? Their money is gone. So it's a big blow to that person because many persons in the general accounts have seen these frauds. Strengthened foreign exchange buffers. Now the buffers have increased. We are more than 700 billion now. Despite renewed strain on the RBI interventions, the strong forex reserves are helping the steady the currency against the global shocks. Right? We are having a huge forex reserve. See, oil reserves are huge, forex reserves are huge. So you guys need not worry about what will happen because of this war. We had 70 days oil as a buffer, but now we don't need even that because Russia has said that I've taken this update, right? Russia is passing on the oil to us at a lower rate. So you all Indians, you need not worry about any panicky situation or nothing will happen. At least in our country. Increased women participation in lending. A report by CRIF, CRIF Highmark, highlighted that women are increasingly dominating business loans. Wow, such a great thing. With their participation in business loans reaching 50% of the total volume, and it's on the Women's Day, right? This is the great news for the Women's Day. Women's Day special it is. So let's take this as a Women's Day special today. See, if I'll give you the importance of women dominating the business. In ancient Bharat, in ancient Bharat, do you know who are the biggest entrepreneurs in the world? Biggest entrepreneurs. They were women. If woman dominates the business, kindly note, money flows to the entire family. Look at this simple logic. A woman gets 10,000 rupees, the money flows to the entire family, her children, her husband, everywhere. Generally, if a man gets the money, okay, 10,000 rupees, some part of it goes for his personal uses. I mean, men have many vices, right? Drinking, this, that, that. At least in our country, up till now, by God's grace, women don't drink that much. Of course, some exceptions might be there, but by God's grace, we are still in that means a moral valued society. So it's a good thing, and this is the most happiest news which can happen in the world or the entire this discussion. Okay, women dominating 50% of the total. I feel women should increase. Okay, women should increase in business. As more they increase in the see, I'm not saying jobs. Jobs they should increase, but if they increase in businesses, things will go like anything. India will prosper like anything. So this is one of the best news. Corporate and infrastructure investment. International bodies like Asian Development Bank (ADB) are strengthening the climate resilience by channeling 1.2 billion into India's clean energy transition. Clean energy means what? All this solar, wind, alternate energy sources. Automated loan documentation. No new online systems are being implemented to automatically remove vehicle hypothecation once the loans are repaid. So nice. Right now, what we have to do, we have to go to that RTO office and then remove that hypothecation. It should be automatically removed. Now, same thing should happen with the mortgages, isn't it? Once the loan is repaid, why should I keep the mortgage with the bank, right? Free digital banking effective from April 2026. Banks are preparing for RBI mandated revision to basic savings bank deposit account, means BSBD, which will remove the charges for cash deposits at the branches and provide free ATM debit cards, boosting financial inclusion. Okay, so remove the charges for cash deposit at branches. So cash deposit charges in the branches will be removed. Okay, so these were the important banking updates for you. Okay, hope so you have enjoyed it and you've got some extra information. So anyone who's planning to give JAIB or CAIB, join our new batches coming up. Anyone who's planning to give the CDCS exam, Certified Documentary Credit Specialist, or CITF, Certificate in International Trade Finance, join our batches. Okay, don't miss these. It's a great thing for you. You know the importance of CDCS, Certified Documentary Credit Specialist. London-based exam. Your salary increases like anything. You can go in the trade finance department. Same thing about CITF, Certificate in International Trade Finance. That is conducted by IIBF. So go for it. JIB, CIB, you know the importance. And huge discounts are going on right now. 82% discount is going on all the batches. Plus, if you see the Mahapaks are giving 82% discount plus 4x validity. 4x, it's a huge thing. 4x validity means it's like anything. Anyone I would say should join this immediately. Okay? Everyone and anyone should join this without fail because this is what is needed. This is what is the requirement, isn't it? Okay, let me show you just, okay, how to join this. I'll take hardly 2 minutes. Okay, see this. Go to Adda 24/7. Always purchase it by downloading the app. Then you go down, you see CDCS is over here. The batches are over here. Okay. You can see the batches also. Go, you can click on JIB and CIB. If you want to go for JIB CIB, click on JIB CIB, right? If you want to go for a CDCS, directly you can see it over here only. The discounts are huge. Okay, 81% discount, 82% discount is going on. And in CDCS, 50% discount off straight. So don't miss and use the code Y432. Never forget this code Y432. Okay, bye.